So we can see that each cell thus require its structure and ability to function because of the organization of its membrane and organelles in a specific ways. So whatever the cell, their structure, their ability, functions, they all are depend upon their membranes and organelles. Okay, the cell thus has a basic structural organization, and this helps to cell to perform function that respiration, obtaining nutrition, clearing the waste materials, and performing new proteins. Okay, so forming of new proteins, clearing the waste materials, obtaining nutrition, respiration, these all function done through these membranes or organelles. Okay, the cell is a fundamental structure of unit of living organism. It is also the basic function unit of life. Okay, now last topic of this chapter, which is cell division. New cell form in organism in order to grow to replace old, dead and injured cell. Okay, so basically new cell formed in organism in order to grow to replace old, dead and injured cell and to form gametes required for reproduction. The process by which new cells are made is said to be cell division. So cell division is a process in which new cells are made. Okay, there are two main type of cell division. First is mitosis and second is meiosis. Okay, the process of cell division by which most of the cell divide for growth is known as a mitosis. Okay, in this process each cell are mother cell divide to form two identical daughter cell, and the daughter cell have the same number of chromosomes as mother cell, and it help in a growth of repair of tissues in the organization. So this mitosis type of cell division is those type of cell division in which one mother cell divide into two daughter cell. Okay, and whatever the chromosomes present in mother cell, the number of chromosomes present in mother cell equally the number of chromosomes present in daughter cell. So I repeat, in this process, in this cell division, one mother cell divide into two daughter cell. A specific cell of reproductive organ or tissues in animals and plants divide to form gametes, which after fertilization gives rise to offspring, and they divide by the different processes called meiosis. Now let us talk about meiosis. Meiosis in form of two consecutive division means first of all mother cell convert into two daughter cell, and these two daughter cell further convert into two daughter cell. Okay, so you can see first of all mitosis. This one is how one mother cell divided into two daughter cell, and see how one mother cell convert into two daughter cell, and these two daughter cell is again further convert into four daughter cell. Okay, so this type of division is known as meiosis. Okay, when a cell divide by meiosis, it produces four new substance instead of just two. You can see figure 5.8. The new cell only have a half the number of chromosomes than the mother cell, but the number of mother cell and daughter cell is not equal. The number of chromosomes are not equal. Okay, in this division the new cell only have half the number of chromosomes that have the mother cell. Okay, so now we can say that our chapter is finished. Okay, so one thing that I want to tell you, please make your notes, okay, in a very good manner, okay, because once you make your notes and revise 2 or 3 times, this chapter is stuck in your mind, okay. Some questions are given in exercise. First question is, how is prokaryotic cell differ from eukaryotic cell? I told you, please make a table of the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Prokaryotics, what could happen if the plasma membrane breaks down, okay. What could happen to the life to a cell? There was a Golgi apparatus, there was no Golgi apparatus. Just add the features of Golgi apparatus, okay. If it is not available, just imagine if we have no eyes, how we can able to see, okay. So similarly, just write down the function of Golgi apparatus. If it is not available, then our cell is not performing these functions. Which organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell and why? We know that mitochondria is said to be powerhouse, so because it produces ATP molecules, okay. That ATP molecules gives us enough energy to perform any activity or any task, okay. Where do the lipids means enzyme and hormones and protein consisting the cell membrane get synthesized, okay. So these lipids and protein are forming in a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, okay. How was amoeba obtain their food? They obtain food with the help of pseudopodia, okay. What is osmosis? The transaction of the transfer of water, okay, from the surrounding in aquatic life are said to be osmosis, okay. So these are the questions you need to write down, okay. While writing the answer of this question, you again read this whole chapter one more time, by which you have a complete concept make. You made a complete. Okay, so that's all for today. Let us see which chapter we will start in next upcoming lectures, okay. So chapter 1 2 finish, chapter 5 finish, okay. So in next lecture we will start chapter 6, which is tissue, okay. Thank you.